What's up YouTube? It's Southern with Safety McNeil here, and as you all can see, we got 5 minutes remaining until 2020. I'm going to so you all might set up here, then if we have time we'll look back at 2019. So yeah. First of all, on my Firelight MS5UD, I have my Firelight BT 12 hour here. And then we have the debut of a new alarm here, which is my system sensor battery then L series horn swope, as you all can see. So yeah, and then we have my Battery Classic, and then my EST Genesis Hornswamp, and then a Railwalk AS, then a Railwalk ISS, then another Railwalk AS. And then on my 4010 system of here, I have the normal simple T-bar and Railwalk AS. So yeah, now, by the way, just as a quick warning, all of the alarms that I could set to continuous high volume are set to continuous high volume or steady high volume, aka the L series, the classic, and all the Railwalk ASs. So yeah, go ahead and mentally prepare yourselves for the loudness that's going to pursue here in about 4 minutes. So yeah, we're going to take a quick look back at 2019 real quick. Here we go. Not a lot happened in 2019 now that I think about it. First of all, back in January, I met my current was on a dating app, so Cassidy on a dating app, so yeah, well, technically I'm in love with her because a course only lasts for 4 months, and if it lasts for longer than that, then that means you are in love, and that is a fact, by the way. So yeah, here is a correct picture of her. Her. Here you all go. That's her right there. That's my Kawase Cassidy. If only she knew how much I loved her. So yeah. And I met her on a dating app in January, and I also started running Nina this year, and that's and then a few races, and that's about it for 2019. So yeah. Alright, back to watch the countdown here. Alright guys, we got 1 minute remaining, so I'm going to put the camera down real quick while I get my hearing protection on. Alright, my hearing protection is now on. So now we'll move over to my TV here, and by the way, go ahead and turn down your volume guys. This is your only warning that you're going to get, so yeah. And also, if you have apps on, So let's see, do not watch this video. So, anyways, here we go.
Let's start with you, Twitch. You got a 3-month-old upstairs in the hotel.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. You got 2 kids.
And you know what? Honestly, it's just to be more present. Year 2020, you said it earlier.
Yes.
This is about clear vision.
Clarity, clear vision, getting ready for the future, and just like stepping into who you want to become.
Yes.
I love it.
I love it. It's great to spend it with you guys. As you see, we're just a few minutes away here. Now we're 45 seconds. The ball starts its descent.
Oh,
You can't see. It's literally like right there above us.
Also, everybody's starting to go crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Well, also, I
That's
just
awesome.
want to say real quick. Hey, Mom. Hey, Daddy.
Mom and all my Kinergy fam. Love you guys.
Wow.
Oh my goodness,
We're
wait.
waiting for.
Oh my gosh, we are literally 20 seconds left. We have 20 seconds left, 20 seconds away. Oh my gosh.
The end of the decade, and we'll try and get the counting right. It's about the most important thing you can do. Absolutely. So let's
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Evacuation plan. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan.
Yep, happy 2020, everyone. Alright. We can now start inserting everything.
Well, that was a lot of fun. And 21 points is crazy.
My mind is blown right now. This is amazing.
Yeah, this is a good to see here as the celebration continues into the new year, at least in New York City. Coming up, Leslie Odom Jr., we've got Steve Irvin, and our friend Nino. Happy 2020. We're not going to get to this.
Look at this.
I did something.
I think the most exciting thing about the MyWW program is not a one-size-fits-all plan.
The MyWW personal assessment gives you questions that guide you to the customized solution that's right for you.
Sweet snacks. Most days.
It takes into consideration my lifestyle. Love me some eggs.
I found a plan that makes losing weight easier, and I feel incredible. The new program from WW, Weight Watchers Reimagined. Join for free and lose 10 pounds on us. Hurry, offer ends January 6th.
Alright, once again, guys, have a happy new year. I had a great 2019, and I am looking forward to what 2020 has to bring. Bring and have a happy and safe New Year, everyone, and make sure to hit to watch the playlist by hitting this box over here, and then while you're here, also make sure to subscribe by hitting this box right down here, and then again, happy new year everyone, and until the next video, peace out.